my name is Bernhard and I would like to introduce you the successful rapid housing of the Odomac White and Blue line. After 2 years of experience with this housing version in different market segments, we extended the product portfolio. Now the housing is available in size 4 and in size 2 and in the colors black and white. So we are able to offer more solutions for flexible industrial applications and in special for the test and measurement market like the hardware-in-the-loop testing. As in white version, the Odomac Rapid is the perfect solution for medical applications. These are just a few examples and many more applications are possible. Let's have a quick look into the details. The Odomac Rapid is characterized by extremely easy assembly and servicing. Thanks to the half-shell principle, 50% time savings are achieved during assembly or in case of modifications. The Odoo's proven quick locking system, thanks to the spindle, is designed for at least 30,000 locking cycles. The innovative recessed mounting of the receptacle is unique in the market for modular connectors. This creates a possibility to protect the socket side. With this portfolio extension, we have a modular interface solution for more design possibilities and solutions. Our modular connectors can transmit signals, power, high current, high voltage, coax, media or optical fiber in one interface. Typical for Odoo is the high contact density of the modules. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please contact us.